Hi guys, welcome back to the channel. I'm RP Max. Well, ngayong araw ay maghahanes review tayo guys. Dito sa LCT 240 watts and B8S sound card. Well, tara guys at ating buksan muna. Nasa loob siya. Yan guys, yung box niya. Oh. Wow. Professional condenser microphone with a patented audio reference compounding for crystal clear sounds. Tara, tingnan natin yung loob niya guys. Wow, ganda. Guys, oh. Ayan ito. May parang filter. Buksan natin guys. Tingnan natin. Yan yung mga pinaka-filter niya guys. Okay. May pa naka-headset siya. Siguro pag ikaw lang makakarinig siguro. Wala pa akong idea. Okay. Ito yung pinaka, ano niya, cold. Well, ito yung pinaka-mic. Ito, ano ba ito? Yan guys. Hindi ko alam kung ano tawag dyan. Ito yung pinaka-ano niya, oh. Okay. Pinaka-control. So, ito yung manual. Akala ko walang manual. Yung pinaka-manual niya, guys. Okay. Tapos, ito na. Guys, pinaka-pang-ipit. At ang huli, okay. Wow. Yan siya guys. Ito ay nagkakahalagang almost 1-1. 1-1 lang naman guys. At ating subukan kung talagang maganda siya. Yan lahat yung mga ano nga guys. Mga accessories, okay. Yan yung mga accessories guys. Guys. Ito may nakalagay na EMC, Pro, Pat, ano ito? Karaoke, yan siya may mga selection siya. Guys. Treble bass, backing track, record, may recording siya, okay. Monitor. Ito yung pinaka-mic. Echo. Ayan yung mga ano niya guys. Bukan natin kung maganda.
I have often known a story about the way I live a life of drifter, waiting for the day when I take your hand and sing a song, and maybe you will stay. Come lay with me, love me, and I will surely stay. All I feel I'm growing older. I and the song that I have sung echo in the distance like the sound of a windmill going round. As there'll always be a soul in your phone. At the times I've been a traveler, I look for something new. And the days of all in 94, I wander without you. And those days I close my eyes, I see you standing near. Old blind and sure that you're not here. How I feel I'm going home. And the song that I have sung echo in the distance like the sound of a windmill going round. There's always be a soul I can hear the sound of a windmill going round. There's always be a soul There's always be a soul